In this video, I will show you how to add trust badges to your Shopify product page. So to do this, you will need to install an app, and the one that I would recommend is called Trust Badges Bear. So you can just go apps and then all recommended apps, and then here click Shopify App Store. And then from there, go to search for Trust Badges Bear. And there you can see right here, so it's actually called Conversion Bear Trust Badges. Now from here you can just click install. As you can see, it's free to use. So here again, click on install. And now you have installed the apps. Now from here, go and click on enable. And now from here you can go through your settings. So you can select your badges. If you click on select badges, you can just choose which badges you want. So for example, you can add which payment methods are accepted, but if you scroll down, you can see there are also some other things. For example, a guarantee or bank deposit, whatever kind of a trust badge you want to add, you can find a bunch of them here, as well as, for example, a shipping method. But for example, I'll just keep these 4 right here. Then what you can do is change the text right here. You can choose which font it is, so you can just set it to the same thing as your website. And you can set the alignment and text color. Then here for the badge settings, you can make it mono like this, original, a mono card, or a normal card. Now I personally like the card one. They can choose the size of it and as well on mobile. And you can make it have an animation such as slide in. So if you click play animation, you will see what it looks like. So they have quite a few of them. You can just select whichever one you want. I'll use slide in. And then after doing that, just click on save. Now I didn't change anything, so for me, I cannot save it. But after doing that, go to your online store and just go and click customize. Then at the top, switch over to your product page. So just your default product. And then here in the left menu, you want to click add section and go to apps. And then here select the trust badge widget. And then as you can see, it now has been added, the trust badge widget right here. So now you can just choose where you want to place it. But with this app, this is the only trust badges section or widget that you can add. If you want an app that can add even more, you can also check out SEO and you can see some of them right here. So it is going to be pretty similar with the worldwide 150 plus most popular trust badges, kind of like the Trust Bear badge as well. But I think in terms of where you can place it, there is some more customizability. But in my opinion, this already looks very good, and if you're looking for something like this, then you can get the app that I showed you. So now you know how to add trust badges to your Shopify product page. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.